Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are reviewing the AFR Club AF35009 kits, and it is the Long Tom M65 155mm Canon in 1/35 scale. So I've never built an AFV kit before, don't know what to expect from the inside of it, but let's have a look, shall we? So on the outside of the kit you've got the Long Tom Canon. On the sides it says it is for 14 plus, and it has an aluminium barrel with rifling inside, which is pretty cool. I've never had to do that before. A few bits of detail on here, the barcode for the kit, and that's that side. On the other side it is a lid opening box, and we have some more details of the photos, and on the sides we have exactly the same that's what's on the top. So this kit was given to me and I haven't actually looked at it yet, so let's have a look at the instructions first. It's quite a heavy kit, to be fair. So here we go. They are upside down, so I'll flip them around for you guys. So we have the standard drawings, black and white, I'm assuming. This is the kit number, this is the scale, and this is the main manufacturer. This is what it's called. That's what it's going to look like at the end, hopefully. So I've never done anything sort of military-wise towards the guns or weapons like tanks and stuff like that. I haven't built anything like that as of yet. So I'm kind of interested to see how I get on with this one. We have here a little bit of information. Yeah, a little bit of information here. If you're not satisfied, you can send them that back, and you can tell them your displeasure of the kit. So let's just zoom in a little bit. Nope, we can't zoom in. Okay, so that's fine. So first bit's assembling the mains of the gun. Gives you all of your details, all of your colours, which is good. I like these drawings already so far, so that is looking good. We have stage 2. Again, I don't know what terms are used for bits, so if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but we've got the main rifle there, or the main barrel of the gun. We've got the mechanism for the tilt up and down of the gun and the rotation of it, I'm assuming, with all the handles and bits and bobs on it. And then I'm assuming these are the legs for when the gun is folded down. More of the frame for the gun as well. And then this side we've got suspension for the trailer that it's attached to, and the wheels. Seems like quite a cool kit. And then you've got, again, attaching the gun to the trailer, and then adding the wheels to the hubs. And then over here you've got your options. So you've got your firing position or your transport position. I'm probably going to do, I don't know if you can do it in both, but if you can, I might do it so that I can have it in both, or I don't know. We will see. Maybe in the transport position. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So we get another piece of paper here with illustrations, making it 2 sets. Okay, so this is just telling us, again, what we had on the first page. If you're not happy with the kit, send that in, and they will help you out the best they can. So in the transport position, you can have it, and you can excuse me, remove those wheels from the front, or you can have them on. There's quite a few ways of doing this, so I'm gonna have a look at this and see what we can do. And then again, in the transport position or in the firing position. So yeah, looking forward to building this one. Actually, it seems to be quite cool. So in the kit, we've got one bunch of wheels, bunch of wheel hubs, some parts of the gun, the barrel, and some more parts. And then this is pretty cool because inside here it gives you some other bits that are made, so that's pretty sweet in there. So let's get to opening some of these packs. Let's go for the wheel hubs. So it's quite sturdy plastic. Some nice detail on the hubs. If we can get the lighting in here, we can show you that. So there's two sets of those. And then let's get one of the wheels out to show you. Again, the wheels all treaded. Just a standard wheel, I assume. So that's pretty cool. Let's put those away. Let's have a look at this one because I'm really interested in this one. So this is the aluminium rifle barrel. And it says it's rifled, but I'm telling you it's not. I cannot see. Where's my magnifying glass? Oh, that's there. Oh, I lied. It is rifled. It's not rifled all the way down. It's hollowed out to about there on the barrel. But if you can see, it is actually rifled in there, so that's pretty cool. Then we're going to have a look on this one. Run the scalpel down there. So these are some more of the hubs and stuff. And some of the hydraulic rams, possibly. The suspension springs. The trailer hitch. Yeah, quite solid little plastic kit there. Let's put that back in there. So, here we go. This is some of the bigger parts. Some nice detail on the inside. A few injection mold points that we're going to have to cover up, potentially. But yeah, all in all, not a bad little kit. You've got the marks where you can, the teeth where the barrels are going to sit and stuff, and the cogs. So it's not a massive kit, it's just a little kit really. I could potentially paint this in a green, in a sand colour, and have it as an artillery gun and attach it to the back of my M10 as well. That'd look pretty cool, but I think I'm just going to do it as a standard green. There's one thing that I haven't noticed on here. There's no glass, which is amazing because I hate putting glass on. So yeah, there's some nice detail in there. Made in Taiwan, this kit. So yeah, let's get to building this one and see what you think. So that is the last sprue. We have been reviewing today, guys, the Long Tom M59 155mm Canon. Yeah, let us know what you think about it in the comments below, and we will show you this build step by step as we go along. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.